Here's one reason why you might not be making money online. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I want to talk about why you're not making any money online, or a valid reason why you're probably not making any money online. I was talking to a fellow marketer. We actually hooked up and actually talked on the phone. We were kind of just talking about marketing and stuff like that and our experiences, and we both came to the conclusion a lot of people they don't make money online because they don't treat it like work, right? They don't take it, that serious, right? So if you're on YouTube and everything, if you're watching this video and you just, you kind of just watch a ton of videos because you really want to make money online, a lot of times people are just looking for the easiest, they want to see that video where a person gets on it and just be like, all right, go to this website and just click money and then check your PayPal and it'll be $100 coming in there every hour. Like, that's what a lot of people's mindset is. But me and the guy was talking, we like, yo, I don't know if people know how much work, goes into it. Now, granted, the freedom that it can allow you to get and the way you can work when you want and your earning potential is ridiculous. Those things are absolutely true. But in most cases, you will have to put that work in. You will have to, whether it be some sort of investment, financially, and many times not even a lot, or if it's, your time, that you have to actually learn how to do something and then implement it. A lot of people, and I was like this. Sometimes I still got to catch myself, but you get a course or something, you learn some new skills, you see the earning potential behind it, you get all hyped up, you get like, yeah, this is it. Well, then when it's time to implement, you know what I'm saying, that what you learned, you don't do it. And then, you wonder, like 2 weeks later, you move on to the next thing because you're like, well, that last thing didn't work. You forget that all you did was just go through the course. You didn't take the time to be like, all right, I gotta grind with this. I gotta actually do this stuff, right? So if you don't implement anything, you're not gonna get any results, because there's people out here making a ton of money online, right? There are people making, $1,000 extra, $5,000, $10,000 a month. It's real, but my advice is find stuff that you are interested in doing. Not even necessarily niche, but like if you like doing YouTube, and you don't mind doing videos and writing descriptions and good titles and thumbnails and stuff, focus on that. Whatever niche you want to get in, that's on you. If you're like a Facebook person and you like joining groups and you like, interacting with people and messaging people and stuff, then do it. But you have to do it, right? We see it all the time. Like I was saying before, I get a lot of people, leave comments and stuff like that, which is great, and I love it. But the people that like contact me and they're like, well, I don't have any money to invest and I don't have any time to learn nothing. Well, what do you want? You know what I'm saying? What do you expect that's going to happen? Because if it was super, super easy, nobody would be working a 9 to 5. You know what I'm saying? Nobody would, be complaining about money, because we all be making 6 figures a year, doing easy stuff online, right? So I just want to make this video that if you're watching it, I always talk about what I'm doing, which is Genesity and Builderall. Those are things that I think can really get people to make money online. Both things are very, very easy to get into, very, very inexpensive to get into, and I get people asking me all the time about it. And it just kind of baffles me to be like, wait, you're serious about making money online? And I got two options that are not even the same thing. They're not even alike. And you're like, and people just don't, they struggle with it, right? And that just tells me like maybe you're not that serious yet, when it comes to making money online, because no joke, Genesity is cool, easy. You can earn nice passive income, but you're going to have to actually learn how to market and put that work in and grind, and then you'll see results. Builderall, same thing. Builderall's crazy earning potential. I mean, crazy. And the tools and stuff that you get with Builderall, the email responders, the Facebook chat bots, the app creator, like everything you need to be successful online, Builderall has. And, it's like they have a crazy affiliate program that you can make recurring income, easy. But people don't understand that once you get Builderall, you become an affiliate because you're like, oh, I see the earning potential. I see it. Once you get in, you have to take the training. You have to learn how to promote Builderall. If you're willing to do that and stick with it, you're going to, get the results. And I like Builderall because I actually use it. Not only am I an affiliate, I actually use it for other projects. So that's like a double whammy. You know what I mean? It's really, really cool stuff. So, and even if you're not, into Genesity or Builderall, whatever you choose, be willing to set some time aside every day and work on that project and start earning that money. Ask yourself this. This is how you could tell if you're procrastinating or you're not getting where you want to be. At the end of the night, every night, or at the end of the week, Sunday night, ask yourself, how much did I get done in my new business? Ask yourself, how much did I get done to achieve my business goal, my new business goals? And if you're not saying at least 2 to 3 effective things that you did that day, if you're not naming, 5 to 10 effective things you did that week to grow your new business, then you're messing up, right? You're messing up. So, like I said, I just had to do this video, kind of spurred a moment. I'm already, shot videos already, but wanted to just throw this in because it's important. If you're watching this video and you're serious, money is being made. People are making thousands of dollars, and you can do it too. But just pick what you want to get into and stick with it. Roll with it. All right. So, like I said, what I'm into is Builderall and Genesity, both links in the description of this video. If you have any questions, my phone number is also in the description of this video. So get at me and I'll help you out. If you're serious, get at me. All right. Be sure to comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.